I'm in Rosalind platform today. We will try to solve a problem that names completing a tree. So tree is a graph that has one path or edge between two nodes. So if we think about this graph, here 1 and 4 is node and we have one path between them. So you can look at here, we have one path between each node, between two nodes. So here is so what is given, so a positive integer, that is 10, and we have adjacency list, that is we have total 1 2 3 4 5 6 edges in here. So the question is the minimum number of edges that can be added to the graph to produce a tree. So we have already 6 edges, and how many edges we need to complete this graph? So this is very simple. So if we know about a tree, then we know if there are n nodes, then there will be n minus 1 edges. So here are 10 nodes, it will be 10 minus 1 equal 9 edges. So we have 6 edges given, then we need 3 edges more. So the answer is 3. Now we will check if it is correct or not. We will download a dataset and upload the result for that. I'm just saving it. If we open the file, that is, we can open it here. This is the file, it's opening. Okay, so here are 908 nodes. That is the number of nodes is 908, and now we should calculate how many edges in here. So 829 edges is given. So we can just do it with the programming things, no worry. So if we want to read the file, we will read it. We are reading the number of nodes, that is n, as integer. And we can read the other things. We just need the length. And now if we print it, that is how many nodes we have and how many edges we have. Sorry, it should be fi. Okay, so we have 908 nodes and given edges is 829. So the minimum edges we require, that is n minus 1 edges we required, and we have given 829. So we need another 78 edges. So if we submit the answer in here and check, Yeah, so congratulations, you have solved the problem. So this was a very simple problem. You can try like this. Happy learning.